Hello and welcome to this new section. So in this section I'm going to discuss about how to merge two arrays. So for merging two arrays we have to follow the condition merging two arrays. So there are two conditions that needs to be satisfied. One condition is both the arrays are to be sorted. Okay, this is a condition. So both the arrays, if the two arrays are not sorted, just sort the arrays and then perform the merge operation. Okay, so merging two arrays, how the algorithm work. Let's see how the algorithm works. So it will create two pointers, I should say 3 pointers. Okay, one for this, one for this, and one for this. Okay, so 3 pointers are created, and it will do from the starting. It will just compare the two results. If we want to print the order, if we want to print in the order of ascending order, then what we should do? So in this, which element is smaller? 3. So we store 3 in this array, and the third array is a sum of the sizes of these two arrays. Okay, so it will store 3, and the one which is stored from the array, it is stored. So just delete that pointer and shift it to the next side. Wait. So this is the 3. Okay. Now shift the pointer to next element. And now let's compare these two. Which is shorter? 4 is shorter. So what we need to do? We just store this thing in the pointer and just move this pointer to this element. Now compare these two elements. 8. Okay, change the pointer. Now it is this 10. Okay, now the pointer is here. Okay, at 12. So what it does, 12 is shorter, so store it 12 and just move the pointer. Now 16. Okay, now move the pointer of this, and from these two, 20, and from this 22. Okay, and if the pointer is this, then it compares. Okay, 23. So now you have seen that for the loop it has reached the end. So for the rest of element, how we need to compare? So until this pointer, it cannot switch to the next pointer. So it will stop. The loop of our first array is stop, and then we need to print the rest element which is left in the other array. So now we can say that 25. So how the algorithm works? How the algorithms, you know this concept like how to merge the arrays, how the comparison works. So what is a pseudo code for this? Okay, what is a pseudo code? we just need to develop some 3 pointers, I comma j comma k. Okay, we need 3 pointers, and we loop until one of the pointer is, let us suppose this is an array 1, let us suppose this is an array A, this is array B, this is array C. Okay, so I is pointer for A, so capital A dot length until, and j is smaller than B dot length. So it will the loop will continue until it reach to the end. Okay, now let's do the logic. Like if one of the pointer is if a of I is smaller than a b of j, okay, then we need to store the elements in the k pointer is for C. Okay, so we store the k element in a of I, but whatever it is. Okay, else what you need to do, else we put C of k is equal to capital B of j. Okay, now let's increment these things, k plus plus and I plus plus, the increment of the pointer. Okay, and for this k plus plus and j plus plus. Okay, so as I've told you that this loop will continue. Okay, this loop will continue until one of the arrays end will continue. Okay, one of the arrays will reach its end. So for the remaining elements which is left, remaining elements which are left, for that we need to develop 2 loops, like if, while, if I is smaller than a of length. What it means, that the pointer has not reached to, if for this is for array A. If the first array has not reached to its end, then it means that it must have this elements remain. Okay, the remaining elements are there in this array. So what we do, we just put C of k, we need to do A of I, and then do the k plus plus and I plus plus. Similarly for array B, what we need to do, just print the length, okay, B and j plus plus, this is j and this is j. Okay, so these 2 loops are what? The elements which are remaining. Okay, so this is your whole pseudo code that you can see. Okay, now we'll in the next section we'll do the coding part of this to understand this concept better. Okay, so this is it for this section. We'll see you in the next. Happy data structures.